Bitcoin surging back above 11,000. You just heard Rick talking about it. Again, higher this morning, but is it back? Seema Mody has more from HQ. Seema.
Hey, Morgan, Bitcoin breaking above 11,000. A 15-month high is notable because the cryptocurrency has only traded above 11,000 2.4% of its total days in existence. While the unveiling of Facebook's Libra has played a role in Bitcoin's comeback, it's worth noting that it was already up about 140% this year prior to the announcement. Others say Bitcoin's rise has less to do with Libra, which is designed as a means of payment for international money transfers, and more about the uptick in geopolitical tensions from Iran to Turkey to the U.S.-China trade war. Data from Crypto Compare illustrates how international demand for cryptocurrencies has been on the rise in countries like China. Now, this is data based on volume in the last 24 hours. There's some discussion around whether there is a correlation between gold and Bitcoin. One portfolio manager telling me it's less about the correlation and more about investors trying to diversify smaller parts of their portfolio into other assets. Genesis Capital, which manages crypto funds for family offices and high net worth clients, says it continues to see more activity from institutional counterparties with volumes 2 to 3 times higher compared to 12 months ago. That said, Bitcoin is still down about 35% from its all-time highs back in late 2017. One of the big events to watch this summer, Morgan, will be the House Financial Services Committee hearing on Facebook's Libra. I believe that's July 17th. You can bet that cryptocurrency and fintech watchers will be monitoring developments from that closely.